nakita po natin in some videos, no, marunong naman duck cover hold yung mga tao. We've seen that in some videos po, especially yung mga students. Kaya lang, meron ba kayong napuna na hindi dapat ginawa or dapat siguro i-reinforce pa yung capabilities ng mga tao in terms of preparations at anong dapat gawin while the earthquake is ongoing?
First and foremost, yung ginawa nila ay hindi po yung drop, cover, and hold.
Mhm.
Nasa labas po sila.
Mhm.
Ang drop, cover, and hold po ay mangyayari lang when you are inside
Okay.
and you have like a sturdy furniture like a table and you go
Mhm.
under, you hold the leg of the table while it's shaking and you
Okay.
scout the surrounding. So if there are, little things that can fall over you, um, uh, you'll be protected. But if the building collapses, then there's nothing I can do with that.
Mhm.
What the students did, and most of the videos that went viral, are people outside, particularly students. Ang maganda po doon ay yung tinatawag na tripod position.
Mhm.
Luluhod ka po while the ground is shaking para hindi ka po tumbahin.
Tripod
And
position. Oh.
that's the best thing, no? Ang galing nila, nasa labas. I saw some videos na others were just sitting along or kneeling along just beside this gym. Napaka ano po ng skeleton yung structure na baka pwede po siyang bumagsak.
Mhm.
The first thing you have to note though is you really have to go to the open ground wherein you are free from all things that's gonna fall
Mhm.
or gonna like a post or wire buildings, no. We have to redefine the way we do our evacuation. And when we do our evacuation, um, we have to have a rally point Alpha and Bravo or Charlie. If this particularly if you are in Makati, ang maraming building, wala nang open ground. May tinatawag po tayong dynamic evacuation. So, initial shaking, in case nag-drop cover and hold ka, and you have to evacuate. And then when you're outside, aftershocks come in, and quite a number of structures start to fall, then you need to evacuate some more. Ang tawag po dyan, dynamic evacuation, which is not being practiced in this country. Parang tayo, nag-drill lang tayo, baba lang,
Mhm.
then punta doon, and then we account, and then balik sa loob. We did not ready ourselves on what we call the dynamic evacuation.